Hello, grade 6 students. In today's session, we are going to review the main ideas mentioned in all the previous videos. Are you ready? As you know that our body is made up of several organ systems. At school, we explored the muscular and the skeletal system. Additionally, during e-learning, we discussed two other main systems, which are the digestive and respiratory system. Let's start by reviewing the main ideas that should never be forgotten. The three main functions of the digestive system are digestion, absorption, and elimination. These three occur one after the other. First, food must be digested into smaller pieces and then into small nutrient molecules. Absorption takes place directly after digestion. And finally, the non-digested and non-absorbed food travel to the large intestine where they are eliminated in the form of stool, also known as feces. Let's talk a little bit about digestion. There are two types, mechanical and chemical digestion. In mechanical digestion, food is transformed into smaller pieces through movement, for example, peristalsis, grinding of food. On the other hand, the small pieces of food are digested completely into small nutrient molecules by digestive juices, for example, by gastric juice. After the transformation of food into small nutrient molecules, absorption takes place in the small intestine. Please pay attention that the large intestine is not only responsible for the elimination of unwanted food. However, it also absorbs water and vitamins to form stool. The other important organ system is the respiratory system. This system is responsible for respiration or breathing. It ensures the renewal of air. This means the absorption of oxygen and the release of the toxic gas carbon dioxide. Each organ system is constituted of several organs. For example, the digestive system is composed of the digestive tube and digestive glands. The organs of the digestive tube are the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, while the organs or glands responsible for the production of chemicals are salivary glands, gastric glands, intestinal glands, pancreas, and the liver. These organs work together to ensure the digestion, absorption, and the elimination of food. On the other hand, the organs that constitute the respiratory system are totally different. The inhaled air, rich in oxygen, enters the nose, then it passes to the nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and finally to the alveoli or the air sacs. Okay, now please pay attention. I will give some important notes before I finish. Where does most of the absorption take place? Most of the absorption takes place in the small intestine. Why? Because its inner surface is folded into millions of tiny fingers called villi. These structures are rich in blood vessels and they are responsible for the absorption of nutrients from the small intestine to the blood. Are the villi found in the large intestine? Of course not. They are found only in the small intestine. However, the large intestine is able to absorb directly water to form stool. Okay, in the previous slide we talked about the gas exchange. Where does it occur? It occurs at two levels, the alveoli and the cells. At the level of the alveoli, oxygen passes from the alveoli to the blood, while carbon dioxide passes in the opposite direction from the blood to the alveoli. As a result, blood rich in oxygen is transported to the cells where the second gas exchange takes place. This is cellular respiration. Cells absorb oxygen from the blood and release carbon dioxide again to the blood, and the cycle continues. Please, I want you to screenshot this slide, solve it as a homework, and the answer key will be sent next Tuesday. Goodbye, champions.